everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Hannah from Plans by Han, and today I'm going to be putting together my meal prep pages in the back of my Passion Planner. Passion Planner just came out with these meal prep inserts and I absolutely love them. They are free to download and print off of their website, so please check them out. It is a must. So yeah, let's get started. Right now I'm just going through and cutting out the inserts from the pieces of paper that they printed on and getting them to the right size. If you have a small Passion Planner, it can be hard to get the inserts to fit on the page really well. When you have a bigger, one of their bigger planners, you can kind of cut it in a way that, it can be smaller or bigger, but for the small, you kind of just it fits the whole page. So I'm just cutting it to where it'll fit. I was trying to figure out whether I wanted to do them on the same pages back to back or having a page in between, and I decided on having a page in between just to have more space to do a dashboard or some kind of title page for the labeling of these meal prep pages. So I decided in the end to go with a page in between so that way I could have a dashboard or a title page, and I think I'm really liking this idea. It'll give me space to really play around with it and have fun with the theme for each week. So this first one is going to be the busy week. So the meals that my husband and I will make for our family when we have a busy week going on. Usually that is our work weeks. So being in campus ministry, we have the really busy times of the semester and the not so busy times. So during those really busy times, this will be the meal prep pages that we go off of here. I've been really into foiled washi, and I'm almost out of this one, and it is my favorite. But yeah, so I also have been into florals because springtime is here. I don't know if you guys have checked out the Happy Planner pressed florals sticker book, but it is really amazing, really beautiful, and I love it so much. So I'm just using some of those stickers to make my little title page, dashboard page nice and pretty. So now we'll be moving on to the next one. I'll probably go back to the other one and spruce it up, make it look nice, but I'm starting with this green washi I got from Daiso. Great place to get some really well-priced washi tapes. Going in with some floral stickers first before I write in the title for the section. I guess I just decided to do that first, but this will be the chill week. So the weeks when we're not as busy and maybe have more time to cook or more time to work on making fun foods. Something that my husband and I love to do is just try new foods out, and we do that a lot, but we need the time to do that. So yeah, this will be the chill week. So I'm going back to kind of go over to add a little bit of depth to my lettering with a gray brush mild liner from Zebra Pens. Love these brush pens. They are opaque, but really beautiful and just add that extra pop. Then I'm going in with a Jelly Roll pen and love those two, and just kind of adding a little extra detail like writing busy and then chill just around it to add a little extra pop to it. I really like adding a lot of writing to my dashboards, and it's just really nice. Don't mind the camera moving around a little bit when I was erasing. Went a little crazy there, I guess. So yeah, just writing in chill around it to kind of emphasize that aspect of it. But yeah, here are the spreads. So now I will be moving on to the current week in my Passion Planner, where I will be taking the two parts of the insert, the meal prep and the grocery list, and I'll be doing something a little new for me, which is taping the insert into my planner. I usually only use them in the back pages of my Passion Planner, but I'm like, let's try something different. Let's tape it into my week. So I am doing that. I'm taking this twin tone marker, writing busy on top so I know which spread to be looking at in the back of my Passion Planner. Then I am going to grab the grocery list insert as well, cut that up and put it in my week as well. So yeah, this is how I will be meal prepping from now on. Thank you so much and see you next time.